This cat is super sleepy, but nope, sleep can wait. Meet this adorable little boss. He's fighting off sleep with one important mission. He needs his favorite belly rub from his human first. So what does he do? He patiently waits, and waits, watching his owner finish their online work like a tiny, fluffy supervisor. Finally, the moment arrives. The belly rub begins, and just like magic, all that sleepiness melts into pure happiness. Mission accomplished. Now, he drifts into the best sleep ever. Did you know? When cats show their belly, it means they trust you a lot, but not all cats actually want it touched. If you'd wait for a belly rub too, hit like, follow, and share for more cute cat moments.